What is up, you guys? Today we got two new packages for the car. I'm pretty excited about this one because we got new shocks, and by that I mean we got new shocks for the rear hatch and we got new shocks for the front hood. These I'm really excited for, so these are the first ones that we're gonna install. But first, let's go ahead and open them. Alright guys, so these are it. These are from P2M or Phase 2 Motor Trend. As far as I can see, they come with everything that you need to install them. So yeah, let's go ahead and start installing these, man. I'm gonna set you guys up, pop the hood, and we'll get it going. These also come with instructions, so it's super cool. I mean, there's literally pictures describing how to put it on, so that is super cool, man. But yeah, let's get to installing this. Alright guys, so before we get started, the reason why I bought those is because I do not have a hood prop. So this, with like this wind that's going on right now, this will blow my hood back or slam it closed, and honestly I'm trying to prevent that, so hopefully this works out. But this engine right here is soon gonna come out. My built engine should be finishing up this week. I'm gonna give them a call Wednesday, which is tomorrow, and hopefully they have it ready, because I am getting super impatient and I want to get this out of here. And also we have a show coming up in July, which is also the main reason why I kind of need it. But yeah guys, let's get it going. Alright guys, so you guys saw how easy that was to install, but I need you guys to hear this. Listen to the snap in this, man. This sounds so nice. Oh, there's one. Oh, gotta lift this up a little bit more. There goes the second. Listen to that. Oh, man. Just look at these. They look so nice, bro. When you're putting these on, it literally tells you where it goes. Left side, and then on this side, right side. And I might take these off again just to tighten down the little nut that goes in here. But I might not. Who knows? We'll see how it goes. But just look at this from the side, guys. Oh man, once that other engine goes aside and I pop my hood for the car shows, dude, it's gonna be so ready. But alright, man, we need to clean this engine bay. It's so dirty. Look, there's leaves in the engine in there, super dusty, man. I can't wait to drive this car again. But okay, alright guys, moment of truth to see if these actually close and they don't hit the fender. So let's get it. Oh my gosh, guys, this thing instantly freaking closes. But look at the spacing. It's legit not touching whatsoever. I don't know if you guys could see it through the camera, but I could see it right here. There's enough space between the fender and the shock. Oh my gosh, guys, best thing ever. So here, let me try to open it, see how it opens. All right, there's that. All right, let's watch it open. Oh my gosh, guys, literally one of the best investments I've done in so long. Damn, guys, that is super freaking cool. And the instructions are super clear too. Like, it literally tells you where to put it and all. I still gotta tighten these on both sides, but I'll get to that after. These are super easy too. You just install it in the first hole, which I still gotta tighten, but oh well. I'll do it after the video. I just wanted to show you guys how cool this is. But yeah guys, I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can go buy them, because literally these are the best thing ever, dude. Hell yeah. But alright, let's get to the rear struts and get those going. Alright guys, so the reason why I'm replacing the rear shocks is because I always gotta put a vice grip on this to hold it up. And also right here you can see where it's wet, where it's dripping the gas inside of it. And you can see the little streak of it right there leaking. Also over here is the same thing. This one is not leaking as bad as the other side, but you can see where it's leaking right there. So that's what we're gonna do right now. The tools that you need is only a wrench and a 14mm socket for this inner part on both sides, and then you gotta take off. You don't have to take this part off, this plastic. I just took it off because I'm gonna paint it black like the rest of the interior. Also, you just need to take this off right here, so it could expose these bolts. Those are 10s, I'm pretty sure. Here. So you gotta pull this off and pull this off, and then it'll expose these two 10s, and then this just comes right off as soon as you take that one off. And on this side do the same thing. And then to install them, you just put the two 10s back on and the 14 on each side, and then put these on and you'll be solid guys. But alright, let's get to it. But yeah guys, as you guys just saw, I already finished installing the rear shocks and they are holding perfectly. They're not holding on by the plier anymore. They are holding on under their own power. There's the driver's side and there's the passenger side. There you go, man. That looks so much better than having those pliers on there. And the front is still holding up pretty strong, man. I'm a huge freaking fan of these. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. But on that note guys, I'm gonna leave it here. You guys have a great day. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.